Kitabul Iman, Bab Halawatil Iman, chapter Sweetness, Delight of Faith. حدثنا محمد بن المثنى قال حدثنا عبد الوهاب الثقفي قال حدثنا أيوب عن أبي قلابة عن أنس عن النبي صلى الله عليه وسلم قال: ثلاث من كن فيه وجد حلاوة الإيمان أن يكون الله ورسوله أحب إليه مما سواهما، وأن يحب المرء لا يحبه إلا لله، وأن يكره أن يعود في الكفر كما يكره أن يقذف في النار. Narrated Anas. The Prophet, peace be upon him, said, whoever possesses the following three qualities will have the sweetness, delight of faith. 1. The one to whom Allah and His Apostle becomes dearer than anything else. 2. Who loves a person and he loves him only for Allah's sake. 3. Who hates to revert to atheism, disbelief, as he hates to be thrown into the fire. Shaykh Hafid Muhammad Iqbal, may Allah protect him, has compiled the verification of this hadith. In various books on this subject, he found a total of 44 narrations from Anas ibn Malik. The references for these hadiths are being documented in detail. Thank you for visiting our Sirat-e-Mustaqeem channel. To listen to the English translations of hadiths from Sahih Bukhari, where the sayings of all the narrators have been compiled along with their references, kindly subscribe to our channel. Jazakallah khair.